ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರವರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರವರೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
We all have been attending the vote chori program. It is a national program. We have asked all our block presidents, our workers and our MLAs to attend the program. More than 1,000 of them from Karnataka, we are attending the program. We have arranged all transportation, lodging and everything with them. From Karnataka, Freedom Park started a great movement. Earlier also at the time of assembly, through Shilme, they tried to misuse appointing thousands of BLOs. Many officers were being suspended. We will take up this matter. We will fight for the right of the vote. Congress party has always stood for the democracy and the constitution, and every citizen's vote is important. So we will fight and we will protect them. No matter whatever the elections are, elections will come, election will go. But the Congress remains to fight for the people's right.